Hello, trading is closed on September 10th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. Look for lower prices and the pattern with the early low. That's what we got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. And frankly, since we have a wall into the close and the close right at the high of the day, gapping down tomorrow is far more likely than not. This tends not to be serious buying. During the day, MEJT said this rally would retrace, was false, said the drop was false, and that's already retraced. Well, here's what we said. Unless we gap and take out the high of the day early, lower prices should print. Talked about this dichotomy of bearish, bullish signs, and that's persistent. Still have support at this low. Not certain that's the end of wave 2. Still have resistance at this high. You really should gap over it if you're going to break through. Again, I think we're going to gap down tomorrow. Well, these are important trend lines, and you have squaring of time and price, 354 points, 354 days, right at the low. The odds are good that support's going to hold. If we gap under it, which I'm not predicting, but if we do, that means support fails, and that's very negative. Wednesday's pattern has the early high. It could gap down first, go all into the close, and close to the high of day. Both argue for a gap down. With the squaring of the time and price, argue for today's low holding. It is bullish that breadth is improving. You can see how breadth is improving, and that it's hard to see the market collapsing with breadth improving. It's negative. Many market leaders are just collapsing, and this is just a small sample. These were stocks that just kept going up and up and up. Nothing could stop them, and now they're all falling sharply all at the same time. It's really tough for me to see us breaking to new highs here or having a strong rally if the market leaders aren't taking us higher. So until this dichotomy is resolved, it's going to be hard for the market to support a sustained move in either direction. I think further consolidation is the most likely occurrence. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Look for a gap down, but this low holding. Longer term, we don't think the consolidation is ready for a breakout yet. That's today's call.